Good day guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is World Embassy FX, and once again happy new year to you guys. And I'm happy today to make the first video, the first analysis on the gold USD this year. So guys, we're going to continue from where we stopped last year. Very easy, taking the top down analysis, but today we're going to be starting from the weekly time frame, because the weekly time frame have enough data for us. So we already know that the gold market is in an uptrend, buying, and as you can see, this is the weekly time frame, and from the weekly time frame you can currently see that the market have just taken out the all-time high to create a new all-time high. So what are we going to do guys from here? Obviously, after the breakout, we saw a retest from this ground here, this black candle that came there was a retest. Then what are we expecting is a continuation, and we should take our fib from this level here. From this level here, we take our fib retracement from this level here down to this level, up to this level. You see that the market is currently reacting in 0.50. You see that the market is currently reacting in 0.50 and 0.38% fib retracement, and you can currently see the new candle popping up this week is already rejecting to the upside. So having this in mind, we're going to move down to the daily time frame for more information, for more data. Now from the daily time frame, you can currently see that after the market break, this analysis is a two-way thing. Is a kind of a trickish and trend, a trickish movement, but we are not going to go against the overall direction, because overall direction has a key power to move the market. So guys, as you can see, after the market break up from this all-time highs, from this key level, the market created what we know as W pattern on the daily time frame and rejected to the downside, right? Remember, this where this lies is 0.50% fib retracement, and after the market rejected to the downside, it started pulling up to the upside. And the market is currently, this daily candle is currently above, and we say have much time. We have 10 hours, also 19 hours for this daily candle to close, which we have a long way to go today. So as you guys can see, the candle is currently above, and we have been last week we have been seeing a lot of rejection from this level here. We have been seeing a lot of rejection to the downside. But if this candle can close above this level, then we'll be expecting a kind of a retest before we see more push, more buy to the upside. So we'll go to the weekly 4 hours time frame for me to explain more about that. And again, let me go back to that daily. I want to make something very clear, and there's something you need to know. After the market form an M pattern, what do we expect is the market to complete the neckline, like complete the M pattern by rotating the neckline before we see any further movement of the market. Either it come here and respect it and continue going down, or it comes there, break it, and continue going up. So having that in mind, we're going to move straight up to the 4 hours time frame. So looking at the 4 hours time frame, you can currently see that the market has been in a range, right? After the market came below this level, which we expect the market to retest on the key level, to reject downward and continue moving in the downtrend. But the market, because it's an overall direction and reacting 0.50 and 0.38% fib retracement, the market keep rejecting to the upside and also rejecting to the downside. So we can currently see that this market is in a ranging state at this point. In the 4 hours time frame, the market is currently in a ranging spot. I'm not going to advise anybody to take any trade. You get it, right? I will not advise you to start buying from here. If you wanted to buy this market, you should start buying from somewhere here in your entry time frame. So I will always advise you, when the market is an uptrend, buy from the discount zone, right, and sell from the premium zone. You see that, right? But when the market is in a downtrend, when the market is in a downtrend, sell from a discount zone and buy from a what, premium zone. You get it, right? So looking at this, we're going to also take our fib from here. We should take our fib from here to this downside. We're going to also see that the market is currently reacting on 0.50 and 0.38% fib retracement, right? So but which of the fib retracement are we going to pay attention to? Which one are we going to take much more serious? Come on, guys, you know the higher time frame wins it all. So we're going to pay attention to the higher time frame fib retracement, which is currently reacting here. So what are we expecting next from this market? It's very simple. It's very simple. We can currently see where the market got here, rejected upward, got here again, rejected upward, the third time rejected upward, giving us a triple bottom. So we are just waiting. What we are watching out for this market is how we can join the buy, how we can continue buying the market. So it's very easy. Two things can happen in this case. Either the market take out this level, right, retest, right, retest, before we start buying more buying opportunities to the upside. Yeah, before we start seeing more buying opportunities to the upside. So this is my concern. This is what I'm expecting the market. I'm not predicting the market is going to move that way. No. I'm just trying. You know, this is a probability game. Remember, guys, this is a probability game. Market can still continue buying to the upside. Fine, but me, I'm here to help you guys to save your money, to you know, come up with a plan, and now you can get the best possible trade out of the market. So I won't advise you to buy from me. I will advise you to allow the market to come to a half of this movement before you start buying to the upside. And don't just because that's reached the half and start clicking on your buy position. No, wait for your entry criteria. If the market did not give you an entry criteria, stay out of the market. We still have enough time this year, so it's good. You still have enough time this year. You don't need to kill yourself or try to look for an entry because you want to make profit. No, we have enough time. So just be calm, be cool, you know, wait for the market to give you what you want, because if you lose your capital, you'll not be able to make that your goal. That's one thing you need to know. If you lose that your capital, you'll not be able to make that your goal. So the first thing you need to guide is your capital. That is it, right? You need to guide your capital. So we're going to wait for this market to come here, because I know possibly this market should reject from here to the downside before we start seeing every possible push to the upside. To reject to the downside, okay, let me draw it very well, because I don't know the exact point it's going to reject from, right? So reject to the downside, right, before we start seeing every possible push to the what, upside. So this is my concern. And remember, because it's a probability game, we can also see every possibility that market will break down to this level and continue selling to the downside. But because of what the higher time frame is doing, we're going to pay attention to it and continue trading the market that way. So that's why I'm much more of buy than sell. Definitely, I think we're going to see some rejection from this level here. Currency market is rejecting. So the market is currently in a range. So everything I just want you to do is just be calm, be patient, stay on your ends, and you're gonna get the best of the trade. You're gonna get the best of the trade. Yeah, that's just it. You're gonna get the best of the trade you want this year. The market is going to move definitely very good this year. Market is going to be very good this year. So just be patient so you can make the bread out of the market. So thank you guys, and don't forget to like, share this YouTube channel. Let's reach a lot of people this year. Let's do great things together this year, guys. And thank you guys, and I'm coming here frequently just like I did last year to give you guys every single update about the forex market. And you can tell me anything you want me to talk about. Put in the comment section, guys. I would love to talk about it. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay safe. Peace out.